Good catch taken at far leg, and Shaheen Afridi has his man. We saw a little shimmy from Marburg, trying to upset the length, but not working out. A good catch in the end, and Pakistan have the breakthrough.
Well, that's a decent catch in the end. A bit of a bobble, but ends well. Afridi with a wicket in the first.
Doesn't go the whole way. I think Riley Rasool was looking to go up and over, and Shaheen Afridi has struck for the second time.
Naseem Shah settles, takes the catch. And that is a huge...
Oh, did they need that?
And it's just gone into this night sky and just kept on going. Wasim did really well. The composure.
Extra pace and bounce away from the right-hander. He can't quite believe it does, but he's got to go. Sharp work.
Just could not believe his luck. The breakthrough there.
Shaheen Afridi for his side, for
all too familiar with. Fans rejoice.
With this very talented left arm quick.
Looking to push the scoring rate. Just 12 deliveries left in the innings. And only shovel it a meal.
Absolute repeat. And Shaheen Afridi is going through the motions that says he's a believer.
4 wickets in the last game, and he's showing a return to some truly of his best form. Maybe not quite a Yorker, but what a delivery! Shaheen Afridi, typical. They're pumped now.